Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're taking a closer look at the SONGMICS Laundry Hamper with lid, a versatile and stylish solution for your laundry needs. This hamper features a convenient lid that keeps odors contained and dust out, while its two sections help you effortlessly sort darks and whites before laundry day. With two washable liners, including a spare, you can easily transport your clothes to the laundry room using the sturdy handles, ensuring hygiene and convenience. Constructed with a stable steel frame and breathable synthetic rattan, this hamper is not only durable and waterproof but also perfect for humid environments. Its generous capacity of 34 gallons means it can hold a family's laundry for an entire week, making it ideal for busy households. Plus, it comes with 6 mesh laundry bags, designed to protect your delicates like underwear and socks during machine washes. So, if you're looking for a practical and elegant addition to your home, this SONGMICS Laundry Hamper might just be the perfect fit. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.